In this video, I will show you how to properly clean the charger port of any Xiaomi phone. For example, if you are having some charging problems, we might simply need to clean the port. And the best tool for the job might be a simple dust blower, also like a toothbrush, and most importantly, a tiny soy needle. So pretty much the smallest and thinnest you can get. So again, it has to be very tiny. So first, let me actually show you what the inside of the port looks like and how we are going to clean it. For example, in the middle you have one main strip which has got tiny connector pins where the cable attaches to charge it and also transfer data. The way we are going to clean it, we are going to take our tiny needle and keeping at the edges, simply try to scoop out whatever might come out. Again, on one side and on other. Also, you can do side by side here as well. Again, do not touch the middle strip, essentially. Also, I suggest to turn off your phone as well. And while doing it, also make sure to hold it like this, essentially. So, yep, let's do it on this phone. So, again, take your needle and essentially insert it all the way in the port. So, you see? Like all the way in, as far as it goes. And then you can, in the scooping motion, essentially try to fish out whatever might be inside there. Okay, so and keep like trying to dislodge whatever is inside, and then go to the next part. So you see, literally, is there something actually inside in this phone? Again, maybe some lint from pocket has found its way inside, and eventually this stuff will stuff basically your charger port, and you won't even be able to properly charge your phone anymore. So again, properly dislodge whatever might be inside, go side to side like this, and then yep, absolutely great tool for this is dust blower like this that can force in quite a bit of air. So once you have dislodged everything with the needle, we are going to follow up with the blower and properly blow out whatever you basically managed to dislodge. And also we can take like a toothbrush here as well and go over with a toothbrush as well properly. Focus on the corners also. We want to dislodge pretty much everything here as best as we can. I suggest not to go in the corners basically with a soy needle. So again, stick to the edges. For corners, basically these sides, take toothbrush for it, because there's actually not that much space. Again, we don't want to bend anything or do anything stupid there. Okay, and yeah, once done, once you also have covered it with a toothbrush, again follow up with a blower and properly blow out everything. So this, for example, what a completely clean port should look like on a Xiaomi phone. So you see, you can definitely see the very end of it, all the edges are clean now. So you see, looks properly mint here. Also, obviously, check the condition of the cable, and sometimes even some stuff can even get stuck inside the cable here as well. So verify if everything is okay with the cable. If you plug it in, if everything is okay, so you see it should click in very securely. As you see, you can even literally hang your phone like this, dangle it around with a lot of force. So you see, like, yeah, it's incredibly secure hold essentially if everything is okay. Okay, good luck.